now that we're back, hopefully we'll find your comments.
Oh, look! Out of nowhere! Sam!
That just looks so nice. I'm so happy we did that.
Special cameo by Sam.
I know, right? And you ready?
Okay, anyway.
Dun, dun, dun!
Way better.
This friggin'
Way
trunk
cleaner.
is huge.
What are you saying, about 6
Oh
bodies?
my God, at least 6. At least 6 if done right.
Yeah.
But then, I mean, that's a little bit of bending of legs and the arms. You know, not a big deal. You can
You don't have to cut
ball
any-
them up, fold them
You
creatively.
don't have to cut any limbs off.
No.
No mess, no fuss.
Yep.
Anyway, okay. So,
And
all
I think
parts.
next week I'll try and,
Oh yeah, let's get this.
because we've got the new one here, so that's not a problem.
Yeah, so Scotty can start on that as well.
I'll peel this old one out, clean everything up really, really good, get the new seal in, because when it goes outside, when we're doing all the movement of cars, I want to wash all of them before they come back in again, so we can get a really good clean
So you're
shop
saying
going.
Friday from 6 to noon, you're going to be washing and pushing and shoving and everything else, because at noon, we's barbecuing.
Food.
It's Christmas. It's our in-house Christmas party.
Yep.
In-house.
Blindsy!
In-house.
We're doing in-house Christmas party Friday. You there, bitch?
He's out in the yard. He's way out there.
Oh.
Oh, Sam's here. Oh, it's funny.
Oh, cool. Okay.
All right, pause. We'll go see Sam.